In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alternate colors in Google Sheets. This simple formatting trick makes long lists and tables much easier to read by shading every other row, helping your eyes track across the page without losing your place. It's quick to set up and easy to adjust later, so let's walk through it step by step. First, select your data range. Click and drag to highlight exactly the cells you want to format. If your table has a header row at the top, include it in your selection so you can style it separately in a moment. You can also select entire columns by clicking the column letters if your data stretches downward and you expect it to grow. A useful tip: hold Shift and use the arrow keys to expand your selection precisely, or use Control or Command with Shift and the arrow keys to jump to the end of your data. Try to avoid grabbing extra blank rows or columns unless you want the shading to cover them as well. Next, go to the Format menu at the top of Sheets and choose Alternating Colors. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen. You'll see your selected range listed at the top of that panel, and a set of preset styles below it. Now choose a style or customize the colors. The presets give you clean, contrasting looks that work well for most cases, but you can click each color swatch to pick something that matches your brand or preference. You can set the header color, the first banded color, and the second banded color. Aim for enough contrast between the two alternating shades, so the pattern is visible without being distracting. If you're preparing something that will be printed, consider lighter tints so text stays sharp. If your selection includes a header row, check the header option. This applies a distinct style to the top row so labels stand out clearly. If you don't have a header, simply leave it unchecked. The banding will start right away with your first row of data. When everything looks good, click Done. Google Sheets will instantly apply the alternating colors to your selected range. As you add or remove rows within that range, the pattern updates automatically to keep the alternating effect consistent. If you later expand your table, you can return to the Alternating Colors panel to adjust the range or tweak the style at any time. That's all it takes to alternate colors in Google Sheets. Select, format, style, confirm the header, and you're done. Clean, readable, and professional in just a few clicks.